Welcome to Zhang's channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Zurich, Switzerland. It is located in the heart of Europe and is an important economic, cultural, and social center of Switzerland. With its unique location on the Lake Zurich, the Alps on the horizon, the numerous local recreation areas, and its urban diversity, the city offers an attractive environment to live and work. I hope that you will like this video. It's another new day in my life, and today is a great blessing because I am going to Switzerland. After 1 year and a half living here in Europe, I am able finally to visit one of the most beautiful cities in Switzerland, Zurich. By the way, the place is really amazing. The land is vast and mountainous. The area is not crowded. The community is well organized, clean, and peaceful. So when you arrive at their train station, you will be amazed at its size. It's like being compared to a big mall. For me, it's organized and you won't have a hard time finding every train platform where you will be waiting. Within the city, you will find train and buses as public transportation. There are many tourists in the area. It is also not difficult to find a place to eat in the area. Actually, near the train station, you will immediately see McDonald's and other restaurants around. If you keep on walking around the area, you will pass the canopies and dining tables. The ambience is really cool. There is also a big river in the area, and there you will see the bridge that connects to the other land. There are also many boats passing through the river because they organized a ship tour. The appearance of the houses and other buildings in the area are colorful. On the bridge, they have locks, and there are written wishes or maybe the heart-shaped lock, and the names of the lovers are being engraved. During my travel is spring season. I am happy because I am able to witness the sprouting of plants. The landscape in the place is totally fascinating. I was even more amazed when I got to go to one of their parks. A fountain is located there. I was surprised because people were taking water from the flowing fountain and drinking it. To my amazement, I also tried to drink from the fountain, and this place is really great. The water I drank was clean, cold, and smooth. Water is free in Zurich. When you see a fountain and someone is drinking there, it means that it is clean and safe to drink. I kept missing the water in the area. As I continue my tour around the place, I came across churches and these beautifully decorated and colorful street corners. There are many big flags and banners being hanged. It's like a fiesta. It's really beautiful to watch because they are being surrounded by a body of water just right in the center of the city. There is this what we call canal, and there are these many expensive boats being docked. So the place, as I can see, is very well organized. So they also have this beautiful fountain similar to one that I saw in Hamburg. Within the place, there are people dining and drinking coffee. As I continued to walk around, I arrived to their marktplatz. So I saw a lot of people, and there was a big fountain where there are many floating rose flowers. It's fun to watch everyone taking pictures. What I noticed in the area are many bridges. It's nice to watch. There are many expensive boats in their port. The area is also animal friendly and environmentally friendly. There you can see beautiful and huge swans and wild ducks. You can actually feed them. They are fun to watch in the middle of the water. It's really relaxing, and in Zurich, people there, no matter who you are, can really bathe there. You can just jump from the bridge there into the water and enjoy bathing. Even if it is a public area, you can take a bath there. Zurich is super clean. Zurich has famous and delicious ice cream. Its name is Mövenpick ice cream. My favorite flavor is Swiss chocolate. I am so glad I had the chance to visit this place. I am also very happy to share to all of you my little experience in the country. I hope I can return to the place. And to this day, I will never forget Zurich's water that comes from underground. I know that there is a lot of investment that is being made to achieve the high quality standard drinking water. I really like the place. You will never get tired of staying and traveling. In Zurich, you just have to be prepared because the cost of your travel may be pricey and the prices are quite expensive. My visit to Zurich, Switzerland, even for a short time, was really memorable, and I wish that you would have the time to visit the place. And to those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below. Until my next travel, this is Johnny's channel. Cheers!